Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 819 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have a really fun $1 makeup product to try out. This is the Starry Makeup Kit and I got this from ShopMissA, so I can't believe this is only $1. It's cruelty free and it has eyeshadows and blush in it. So here is what it looks like. And I'll open it up. 6 eyeshadows on top. And then you can slide it. And then there's a little blush. I think this is so fun, so cute. This reminds me of kind of like a toy makeup product. And for $1, it kind of can be. But I'm really curious to see if this is actually any good. Let me go ahead and swatch a few of these. This has actually really high ratings on the ShopMissA website. They're definitely a little bit chalky, kind of like loose powder feel. And they all have a metallic finish, but I kind of like that. Let's see. Ooh, that's a really bright green. Pretty highlight shade. Ooh, that's a beautiful metallic, bright kind of orange gold. Ooh, that's really pretty too. I can tell that there's some fallout though, even just from my swatches, there's fallout. But these actually have a really nice pigment. And those are some really pretty colors. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and swatch the blushes. It even has a little applicator here. Ooh, and a mirror inside. This is just such great packaging. Okay, the blushes are a little bit more subtle in pigment, but that's okay for a blush. So for the fun of it, I'm going to apply some blush. I'm gonna take both of the colors, so kind of mix them up. Doesn't seem to be as much fallout with the blush. Ooh, that actually looks really pretty. It's a really sun-kissed reddish pink shade that looks really natural, blends out really well, and looks really good on the skin. So let's go ahead and apply that to my other cheek. I'm actually really happy with the amount of pigment and the shade of this. I think this is a really nice blush. I can't believe how good it looks considering how inexpensive this palette is. But that looks great. Look at that nice, healthy flush of color. Good pigment. Looks completely natural on the skin, like there's no texture. That's awesome. Okay, now I'm really excited to try out the eyeshadows. I'm going to only prime one of my eyes with my go-to eyeshadow primer, the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And we'll see how these eyeshadows are with and without a primer. Sometimes using an eyeshadow primer with an inexpensive eyeshadow makes such an amazing difference in how they look and apply. But so I'll start out picking up this lightest. Is it like a whitish gold? It's really pretty actually, a really pretty color. And I'm gonna put this as my brow highlight. Oh, I love this. It looks like a white, but then it almost has a gold duochrome reflection to it. It's a really pretty color. Great pigment that shows up so well. Wow. Okay, I like that shade, so I'm also, of course, going to highlight my inner corner with it. It might come off a little bit too yellowy for the inner corner highlight, in my opinion, but we'll just see how it ends up looking. But that's my first impression, is that it looks kind of more yellow on my inner corner of my eyes than it looks on the brow bone. And then I'm gonna pick up a crease brush and pick up this brown shade to apply into the crease. This is super easy to blend. It shows up with really good pigment still, and it's so pretty. I love this color in the metallic type of finish. I think that's looking so good on the eye. Wow. This applied so nicely on both the eye with the primer and without the primer. I'm so excited about this palette already. Okay, I kind of think that I'm gonna do a little bit of a sunset eye look. So I'm gonna pick up the reddish maroon shade with my finger and apply that into the outer corner. Oh my gosh. The pigment on this, seriously, is so good. I love metallic eyeshadows, so I'm just loving how all of these look, but they're applying so easily. And this color is so beautiful. It's seriously so easy to apply. Just tapping it onto my eye, you get full pigment, full foiled effect. I can't believe the palette that I'm using right now is a $1 palette. Like, this feels like I'm trying out one of my $20+ palettes. It's that good. The colors are so pretty. So then for the rest of my eyelid, I'm gonna pick up the, how would I describe this? It is kind of like a golden orange shade. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh, and so bright. I love the bronzy brown mixing with the red and the yellow. Just love sunset eye color looks. And then that looks good too with the golden highlight shade on the brow and inner corner. But oh my gosh, the pigment on these eyeshadows is so good. Can't believe how easy they are to apply. And I'm just kind of blending the two together to get more of an ombre effect. Look at that color. Wow. Okay, and then to finish off my eye look, I'm actually gonna pick up this little tool. I love using these little eyeshadow tools to line and smoke out the lower lash line. So the color that I'm gonna use there is this kind of charcoal shade. Ooh, I love this on the lower lash line. I love a shimmery metallic eyeliner. So the shade looks so good. Not too dark, but it still adds some nice shimmer. Oh my gosh, this palette is so fun. I really like the look that I did. I just really play around with colors and colors that I like to wear together, but I didn't even use that bright green. There are actually so many fun looks that you can make with this palette, and they apply so well. I am seriously blown away by this formula. I don't know how they did this for $1. Good blush and really good eyeshadows. That's amazing. And you get great colors, a great assortment in really nice packaging. I'm just thrilled about this product. No wonder it has so many high ratings. I feel like this is one of the highest rated products I've seen on the ShopMissA website. But also I am shocked by there being no difference with the primer versus without it. Like, the pigment is that beautiful and bright that there's no difference in how the eyeshadows look. There's not even any issues with creasing. It just looks so good. I don't think I can say enough good things about this palette. Even if I was trying out these eyeshadows and they were a $20 palette, a $30 palette, I would still think that the formula and the colors are so good. And then the fact that it's a $1 cruelty-free product, it doesn't get any better than that. That's why I love trying out dollar store makeup, because you can find such gems. Like if you want a good colorful eyeshadow look, you don't need to pay any more than $1 to achieve that. And I feel like that's one of my favorite purposes of my YouTube channel, is finding those amazing, inexpensive products for you all to try, so that you don't have to spend a lot of money on an eyeshadow palette that you might not love, that might not perform well. So I highly recommend this palette. I'm just so happy I found this. So happy that if you're watching this video, you got to learn about this product as well. Or if you already knew about this product, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.